tell you the reason why I love you. Let me tell you the reason.
Abeg, me and my wife like this, we don't marry for the past 10 years now. We never see pikin. And the doctor when we go meet, he tell us say we go need to pay 300,000 for surgery fee. Make una help us. Any small money, I beg.
Oh my baby, let me tell you the reason why I love you. Let me tell you.
Baby, we don't make plenty money for this camp. They do. Oh.
Yes, sir. I bet more go hustle and that do and that.
Must come another person.
No,
you know you can be prosecuted for that.
Oh, why, I beg, me and my wife, we don't get married for the past 10 years now. No pikin. And the doctor, when we meet, talk say we go need to pay 500,000 before she go fit get pikin. I beg, may you help us. Any money, no more, no amount is too small.
No wahala.
I even get evidence, boss. See, you see, I even carry this.
What? Phone card? Phone card? Phone card? Phone card? What? Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about the thing where you want to use your life for her. What? Phone card? Jesus is Lord. Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Congratulations, pregnant couple. I wish you guys safe delivery.
You will move out of this house.